It's raining. Is this the Cookie Monster? Or Elmo? Elmo? It's raining Elmo. Oh my God, here comes a big gray elephant. Oh, here comes a something or other, a bunny. Here comes, I don't know what that is. A blue thingy. Oh, look, an Irish polar bear. It's raining Irish polar bears. It's raining green polar bears. It's raining a whole bunch of animals all at the same time. What else we got? Oh, it's raining the Revolution Super Monkey. And here comes a big giant teddy bear. Uh-oh. Oh. All right, we're going to rain a whole bunch of animals at once. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! And mooses. And this thingy. And the giant teddy bear. And the Super Bowl. And that thing, whatever that is. And an elephant. And a tiger's head. And a moose. And ready to count again? We're going to rain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 animals at once. A new world record. There you go. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait a minute. Because we're at a farm, we got to rain vegetables. We're raining peas, tomatoes, another tomato, carrots, green beans, mushrooms, onions, giant bears,